Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. This is Car Connections. Make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe, share, and turn on that little notification bell. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take out the wide body for the first drive that I actually vlog with its mid muffler delete. But before I do that, let's get into a cold start, shall we? So we have the windows down, open up the sunroof, and we're gonna see how the snap, crackle, and pops work out on the ride. See how she sounds. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put it in track mode or custom mode, which is my settings is like track. That opens up the baffles and it gives the car a much better sound. But man, I'm sure you guys just saw that and enjoyed that that mid muffler delete. I'm getting best $100 you're gonna spend. She sounds fantastic. Let me give her a quick little gas here. Yeah, buddy, let's take her for a spin. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take her out of the neighborhood. I don't want the neighbors calling them po-po. Hopefully you guys don't get too much wind noise. I try not to roll it down too much, but enough to where you guys can hear the sound of the ride. I'm going to put it in manual here. I think even right here in slow paces, we can get a nice pop. Here we go, get warmed up a little bit more. Suspension feels so good on this car, man, especially in track mode. Downshift, so it's about, you know, kind of you accelerate the gas a little bit, get it to about 3,000 RPMs, and then you go. There's a little pop. Explain it to you guys. It's just badass. Less coverage. Hopefully you guys are not getting too much wind noise. Let's close that out a little bit. Yeah, buddy. So we have it set in track mode. I removed it from custom mode. Looker. Yeah, buddy. Okay, we have a little bit of an open here. We're at around a 15 mile per hour roll here. We're at 22 mile per hour now. We're gonna floor it. Here we go. Yeah, I know. Yep. Yeah, buddy. Man, the sounds are just freaking amazing. Hear the pop, 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 pop. right, just want to do a quick little testing of the muffler delete. It's the best $100, guys. Again, make sure you subscribe, share, hit the thumbs up. Have a blessed week. It's Car Connections. Peace out.